Hi guys, welcome to Linux YouTube channel. My name is Ram Mishra and I'm your online instructor. So what's in this video? In this video we will talk about terminal GPT in Linux. But before start the lab session we need to understand few points, which is what is terminal GTP in Linux and its use cases. So basically terminal GPT is terminal based chat GPT tool which is kind of personal assistant app. With Terminal GPT, you can easily interact with the OpenAI GPT 3.5 and GPT-4 language models. Whether you need a help with a quick question or want to explore a complex topic, Terminal GPT is here to assist you. Simply enter your query and Terminal GPT will provide you with the best answer possible based on its extensive knowledge base. So here I am going to demonstrate you how to install and use Terminal GPT in Linux. So let's do the lab session. Here you can see currently I am on my Linux terminal and let me show you the OS release version first of all. So I'm using currently Red Hat release 9.3. So first of all we need to install TGPT. So how? Let's go on Googling it. I'll go back on Google and I type uh, install TGPT in Linux. Simple. Let it go with the first link. And if I go to readme.markdown file, here we'll got some information, not here. Let me go this one. Mm, no, not this. Yeah, here you can see. TGPT is a cross-platform command line interface tool that allow you to use AI chatbot in your terminal without requiring API keys. So here the options are available, how you can use it. You just simply give the tgpt command and some options, and if I scroll down, the options are clearly mentioned how to install it. So currently I'm using Red Hat Enterprise Linux, so I'll go with Linux platform. Otherwise you can go for different platform also. And you can see it's clearly mentioned it's support. The default location is /usr local bin, but you can change it in the command to use different location. And however, make sure that the location is added to your path environment variable for easy accessibility, right? But because I'm using the default one, so I just simply copy this path and paste it on my own Linux platform. So I just simply copy from here, go back on my terminal, right click and paste it. Simple. So basically this command download and install TGPT in my Linux platform. Installation successfully. And we can run the TGPT-H for help. The moment I press enter, I got the examples how I can use it, right? So so let's go with our own use cases. Like firstly, I want to know what is ChatGPT. So I type the command TGPT and inside double quotes I can mention my query. I drop my query here. It will show me the best result. My query is what is ChatGPT? The moment I press enter, see it's loading and I got the complete answer. So here ChatGPT is AI model developed by OpenAI that can engage in conversation, answer question and generate text based on the input it receives. And I got the complete information, right? So in the same manner, like I want to identify what is Ansible, Ansible. What is Ansible? Or you can search for Terraform, Jenkins, Docker, Kubernetes, anything. So here you can see Ansible is a popular open source automation tool used for configuration management, application deployment, and task automation, right? This is very easy. This is very good for learning purpose and get your query very short time. In the same manner, I can create any kind of program code or script for our administration tasks. Let's suppose I want to take the backup of my home directory. I don't know how to write the shell script for this. So I go and take the help from here also. For example, uh, I type tgtp create backup script for /home directory. Simple. Create backup script for home directory. oh sorry, TGPT typo error. Yeah, press enter, again loading, and look at that. We get the complete solution with the script also, right? So here you can see they have started variables and create backup directory if does not exist, then the copy command, then they use find command, figure out, and they give the complete, they break down the entire script. We set the variable for home directory, backup directory, compress method, and maximum number of backups. Then in the second step, they create the backup directory. Then third, they copy all the content from home directory using cp-r command. Finally, compress the backup file using czip command. And they give the method how you can use it also. You create a script like backup home.sh, give the permission and run it manually. So this is the first method where they are using cp command. Even you know that in Linux to perform some tasks have n number of methods. This is if I run the same, you will get second option. Second method, you can say how you can use it. This time they use the command again, cp command, and give the another solution, right? cp-r, copy everything from my home directory and paste it here. Like if I go one more time, let's see, did I get another result? No, every time cp. So create backup shell script. Let's try to modify another result or look for another result. Yeah, here you can see they started with this one, right? Backup directory. So home directory, backup path, date, compress backup, and create a backup directory if does not exist. Then tar command this time, then they use if condition, and finally go with the end. So this is how you can generate the script and you get the result also, right? Like, like let me go with one solution. Suppose that's a small one. Create a timestamp, backup file, tar, czdf, and backup complete. Let's try. Let's try what happens if I copy and try to make my own. So if I copy, I'll open the new tab. I create backup.sh file, copy and paste each and everything, and create a timestamp for backup file. So there's a variable, they start timestamp $date, and then set the backup file name. The backup file name is part to the backup home. So if I scroll down, they have mentioned the script will create a compressed tar home directory. In current working directory, you may want to modify the backup file name variable to change where the backup is saved or how it's named. So I give the location on my location. Suppose I want to give the location of where I want to store. I want to store in something like CUSTOM custom backup, something like that, BACKUP. So currently if I go on my slash folder, you will notice no custom backup is there, right? So I mentioned custom backup, host name, timestamp.tar.dz, then it will compress, run the tar command, the backup file name is complete location, and the home directory. And finally I got the message backup created successfully and $backup file name. So let's try. I'll make chmod command, give the executable permission to backup.sh file. The steps are here clearly mentioned here. Create a script, give the permission, and finally run it using dot. So let's try backup.sh. Perfect. You can see done successfully. So backup created successfully. Let's go back, and if I try to check here, you can see custom backup server.example.tar.gz is available. This is how it's very easy that it provides a solution also. So if you have a little bit knowledge of the shell scripting, or if you have a little bit knowledge of bash shell script or any kind of programming, you can take the help from here, and it will give you the different kind of solution to perform and get the same uh, result of your query, right? So this is also very useful for us. In the same manner, what we can do, like uh, it can also explain some existing code in a proper way. Suppose I have a file, like in my case, I have a file Ansible project demo.yaml file. So this is a very simple .yaml file where I'm going to install a FTP server package. I think about a scenario, I don't know the meaning of this code, what is actually does, right? So I can go with the help of TGPT command line tool, and they will help you out what is the actual meaning and how to use it and what is the use case of this one. So what I will do, I will just simply type and go with the pipe TGPT. Hey, please explain this code. Explain the code. Explain the code. Simple. Now see what happened when I press enter. So again loading. Yeah, here it is. Here it is, you can see. So it is basically Ansible playbook written in YAML format, and let's break it down. So they explain properly. The first of all, the symbol indicate this is the download, this is the demo playbook for installing. Then the play section, define the play name. Then the host, this play will run on all hosts defined in the inventory. Then the task section, I mentioned the one task, which is the task name, which is the module Ansible built-in.dnf module to install the FTP package, the name parameter, and then state, what state I use, which is latest one, and finally the conclusion. This playbook is designed to install the VSFTPD server package on all hosts specified in the Ansible inventory using the DNF package manager. This is how you can see it's easy for us to be understand any kind of code, or even you don't know the any kind of you need to create also YAML's playbook. You can also create the YAML playbook, Terraform files, Jenkins file, Kubernetes file for your administration tasks, which will be very helpful in your DevOps roadmap track. So I will share this link in my Zoom in my description section. You can take it from there and you can get much more information from here. Finally, I want to just introduce or explain the small thing which is very useful for day-to-day activity as a DevOps admin. So guys, that's all about this demo. Hopefully you enjoyed and learned new things. Soon I will come up with another new interesting topic. Till then, keep practicing. If you feel something I have missed or you wanted to know more something else, please reach out through my social media link, which is mentioned in the description. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button for latest update. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and goodbye.